Welcome to the CyberArk Privilege Cloud ISPSS Guide. In this video, we'll guide you through each step to efficiently and securely upgrade your existing Privilege Cloud connectors using Privilege Cloud Installer. Before we begin, here's an important note. The Privilege Cloud Installer is a legacy tool. CyberArk recommends using connector management to upgrade eligible Privilege Cloud connectors. Only use the Privilege Cloud Installer when specifically advised by CyberArk representatives. Let's begin by preparing your environment. First, ensure you have the necessary administrative credentials with the right permissions, including the installer user password, which must be reset if expired, and a domain or local user account with local administrative rights. Next, prepare your connector's server machine by taking a snapshot in case you need to roll back, generating a group policy report, verifying current CPM and PSM versions, checking the CPM mode, downloading the latest Privilege Cloud software package, and the updated GPO hardening package. Check the file properties of the Privilege Cloud software package and GPO hardening package zip files. If Windows shows the file is blocked, unblock it before extracting. Otherwise, the extracted files may fail to execute. Extract the connector and GPO hardening zip files to suitable folders. Disable or uninstall any antivirus agents on the server to prevent interference with the upgrade. If your environment includes PSM servers, backup configuration and log files, verify local user group memberships for the PSM Connect and PSM Admin Connect users, and back up the PSM Configure App Locker.xml file if you have customized it, and ensure the custom changes are applied before running the hardening script. Also, upgrade the PSM Health Check if it is installed. Now, log into your connector server and check the currently installed versions of your Privilege Cloud connector components. Compare them against the latest available versions and identify which components are not yet on the latest release so they can be upgraded. Before performing any upgrade, divert traffic away from any PSM servers being upgraded to avoid disruption to end users. If you are upgrading the CPM component, stop the CyberArk Password Manager service and the CyberArk Central Policy Manager Scanner service. If you are upgrading the PSM component, stop the CyberArk Privilege Session Manager service. If you are upgrading both components on the same server, stop all three services before you proceed. For detailed information and best practices, always refer to CyberArk's official documentation. Next, let's walk through the CPM upgrade process. If you are not upgrading CPM on this connector, you can skip this section. The CPM upgrade procedure updates both the CPM and the scanner together, and the steps differ slightly depending on whether the CPM is active or passive in DR mode. Always follow the mode-specific guidance in CyberArk's official documentation to avoid configuration issues. Begin by opening the CPM installation package on the connector machine. Make sure that the full path where you extracted the upgrade files does not contain any spaces in either the folder names or the overall path, as spaces can cause the automated scripts to fail. On the CPM server, go to the CPM, Installation Automation, Installation folder, and open the installationconfig.xml file. Here, you will specify several key parameters, and it is critical that you set isUpgrade to true, so the process is treated as an upgrade rather than a fresh installation. Start with username. Enter the name of the user who is running the installation. Next is company. Type the name of the company running the installation, using only alphanumeric characters and spaces. Do not include any special characters in the company name. Then, provide the CPM install directory. This is the full path to the folder where CPM is currently installed. Finally, set isUpgrade. This parameter tells the script whether you are performing a CPM upgrade or a new CPM installation. For an upgrade, make sure ISUpgrade is explicitly set to true. Save the edited installation config.xml file. Open a PowerShell window as administrator, navigate to the CPM installation automation folder, and run CPM installation PS1. This script will perform the CPM and scanner upgrade using the parameters you configured. Once the script finishes, continue according to the CPM mode. For an active CPM, the next step is to register the CPM component. Navigate to the CPM installation automation registration folder on the CPM server and open CPM register component config.xml for editing. In this file, you must again ensure that the ISUpgrade parameter is set to true to indicate that this registration is part of an upgrade. Set accept EULA to yes to accept the license agreement. For Vault IP, enter the FQDN or specific IP address of the Vault server provided by CyberArk support. You can also find this value in C program files, x86, CyberArk, Password Manager, Vault, vault.ini. In most privileged cloud deployments, the FQDN follows this format: vault-subdomain.privilegedcloud.cyberark.cloud. Next, set Vault user to the name of the Privileged Cloud admin user performing the installation or upgrade. For username, specify the CPM username that was defined during the initial CPM installation. You can verify this value in C program files, x86, CyberArk, Password Manager, Vault, user.ini. Finally, confirm that ISUpgrade is set to true. This ensures that the registration action correctly associates the upgraded CPM with the existing environment and preserves its configuration and data. For a passive CPM in DR mode, there is no need to register the CPM component. Instead, make sure that the plugin manager user is added manually with the correct permissions, as described in CyberArk's documentation for CPM user permissions. In this video, we are upgrading the passive CPM in DR mode. Hence, we will skip the registration stage. Next, move to the CPM hardening stage. Open the CPM installation automation folder and edit the CPM hardening config.xml file. Update the following parameters. Invalidate server roles. Set enable equals no. In Password Manager Services Local User, set enable equals yes. For each of the 3 instances of ISPSS installed, set the value to true. Remember that these parameter values are case sensitive and must be entered exactly as expected. Save and close the configuration file. Then open a PowerShell window as administrator in the CPM installation automation folder and run CPM hardening.ps1. If you are working with a passive CPM, you may see an error about starting CPM services. This can be safely ignored and you can continue. If you're working with an active CPM and an error occurs, troubleshoot and resolve the issue before proceeding to avoid leaving production CPM in a partially hardened state. With CPM hardening complete, update your group policy object hardening as needed, either by deploying updated GPO packages or manually adjusting settings in line with CyberArk's recommendations. For detailed information and best practices, always refer to CyberArk's official documentation. At this point, you have completed the CPM upgrade. Now, continue with the PSM upgrade. To upgrade PSM, use the PSM installation wizard. Open the PSM installation package and run setup.exe as administrator. In the wizard, retain the default settings and click Next through the pages unless your documentation or design requires specific changes. When prompted for the Vault username and password, enter the Privilege Cloud Installer username and password. On the API Gateway Connection Details screen, enter the Privilege Cloud Portal hostname in the host field to enable automatic unlock accounts capability. If you do not want to configure this now, simply click Next to proceed. On the hardening page, click Advanced and make the required selections according to CyberArk's official documentation for your environment. Then, click Next. When the update completes, click Finish to close the wizard. To finalize the upgrade, restart the connector machine. You can restart it immediately or at a later maintenance window, but remember that the connector machine must be restarted before you continue using it in production. Now, verify connector status and logs. Troubleshoot if necessary. Conduct tests of PSM connections by executing sample sessions to verify operational functionality. Ensure that testing encompasses several of the connection components configured within your environment. Re-enable or reinstall antivirus software that was disabled before upgrading. For high availability, repeat the upgrade steps on additional connectors in your environment. For more information and best practices, please refer to CyberArk's official documentation. Finally, complete post-upgrade tasks such as updating password rotation plugins and connector components like SSH key and Toad connectors. For more information and detailed guidance, please refer to CyberArk's official documentation. You've now successfully upgraded your Privilege Cloud connectors using connector management. For more detailed guidance, configuration options, best practices, and troubleshooting support, please refer to CyberArk's official documentation and knowledge base articles. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future updates.